So all right guys, in the part 2 of this tutorial and in the part 2 of this course, okay, so here we are going to be looking at the course outline, the remaining course outline, so which starts from, I think we've looked at how you can create a TikTok account that allow you run adverts, which is what I've shown you in the last tutorial. So we are going to be starting from how you can get access to the complete setup. All right, then we're also going to be looking at how to target Nigeria who needs what you are actually. Also going to be looking at how to run how you can run adverts with just 900 naira and turn it into big sales. This is what we are going to be looking at. Then how you can also pay for your TikTok adverts in naira, how you can turn it on. Then the last course outline is how you can install and promote the promote option if you are using a TikTok if you are using a TikTok account. So this is what we are going to be looking at. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to be turning on my VPN. This is the VPN we downloaded in our previous tutorial, right? So that is what we are going to be making use of, although is not a must, but me, I always prefer I turn on my location to UK. So I'm going to select UK here. Then I'm going to just select this guy here, and it's going to connect me to UK directly. So I'm presently connected now. So let me go to my Chrome browser here, then type @hr.net to check my location, right? So you can see here that our present IP is in United Kingdom, isn't it? So now let's head over to our TikTok account. So you should know that we've built a TikTok account. So let me just switch to this TikTok account here, so I can start from this guy. Okay, so let me quickly switch to it. Now this is the account we created the last time. You can see that I've really worked on this account. So I have 97 followers with 1,266 likes. You can see them here. These are the likes that I've gotten. Then I've posted like maybe 9 videos. So you can see this video, it has over 9,000 what 9,325. The second one here has 1,000, let me just say 1,008. This third one has 11, while this fourth one here has 256, 252. So you can see here that I've managed to build this account. So if I'm to go to click on my TikTok shop here, you will see the analysis of this. You can see the analysis. So if I'm to come to my creators reward, I wanted to show you that this what is should show you. If I'm to scroll down, you can see now it has started reading. I have 97 followers, and this is my watch hour. I've gotten over 14,000 watch hour. So that is to tell you that this is presently reading. So once you reach your threshold, you can start making money. But that's not where we are going. Now let me come to this promote option here. If I'm to click on promote here, you will see that I will have a full option to create a advert. You can see here, this is my budget. This is everything you want to know about running adverts. But I'm not going to be using this. I've tested this account. Okay, let me just click on this my dashboard to show you my previous adverts. Now this is the cost. Let me click on my cost. This is €3. I spent €3 to get over 10,000 video views. Imagine just €3 is not even up to, I think it's not up to 4,000 or 3,000 now. I'm not sure. And I get, for this video, I get 10,000, and I have over 108 profile views, and it gets me 20 followers. Now this is all the adverts that I've run. You can see it here. We have video views. So if I want to promote it, I can click on promote again. But I don't want to use this account to promote. I want to use the one that you will understand, which is my Nigerian TikTok account. I will show you how you can how do I put the English now? How you can save the option for you to see promote option there. But it is always advisable for you to get to use this TikTok, this international TikTok account. It's always advisable so people can get to see what you are doing. That's the first thing. They can get to see what you are doing. Secondly, you will have more followers. Do you understand? So now let's now go to the account that I'm using before. This is the account that I'm using before creating this new one. So this is my old account. So I want to start afresh. I want to show you how you can run adverts with it. So you'll be able to understand it very, very much, and it will be very, very easier for you to understand. So now, how do you promote? How do you promote a video? How do you run adverts? How do you set up this advert? How do people contact you? Now, this is our account, right? So we will look for a post to do what? To boost. Let's assume I want to boost this video here, right? I'll just click here. No, let me just post something first. So I'm going to be using that to explain. So let me click on this my plus icon here, then click on my gallery, then let me go to my favorite, right? So let me add this chair. Let me add these chairs. So I'm going to be boosting this chair. I want to run adverts. So I'm going to be doing it in this tutorial. This is what I sell and I also teach. You know, I told you. So let's click on next. So you can see this chair, you can see this next. Then I'll write my caption, right? So let's say I want to run advert for this. I've already set it up, so I can just say chair. I can put hashtag for chair, right? Then I can also put another hashtag for what? For desk. Okay, so I can put hashtag for desk as well. So this two is okay. So I'm going to click on post. God, so you can see now is going to be posting. So I want this thing to post. That's why I'm doing it from scratch. So you can also understand and follow the same process. Now that I've already posted this with their prices, so how do you boost these things? How do you boost it? How do you promote it? It's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so I'm going to click on. So you can see that this is what we posted here. This is what we posted. Okay, so you can see them. These are different pictures that I posted. So for you to boost it, okay, for those who don't have the promotion button here, so I wanted to do it, but let me quickly show you. For those who don't have the increase views, it's always show as promote too. Let me quickly show you how you do. This is what you will do if you don't want to create that international TikTok. You want to be managing your maybe your local account to run adverts, but it's not always advisable. Just use the other international TikTok. I'm just doing this for you to be able to understand, because I've already run adverts on the previous one, so there are some options that is not going to be showing. That's why I'm using this. I would have used that directly. However, if you want to use this to run adverts, this is what you would do. Be posting at least on TikTok every day. Post two posts there every day. Spend 1 minute at least. Okay, let me say at least 5 minutes on TikTok. Post regularly, then update your stories. You can click on this plus icon here to update your story. Let's say I want to put this here, I'll click it. They will know that you are an active user. Then secondly, come to this 3 dotted line here. Then you click on settings and privacy. Okay, once you click on settings and privacy, just come to where we have privacy here. Do you get it? So once you click on settings and privacy, make sure that everyone can send you a message. Everyone, make sure this function is turned on. Do you understand? So once this is turned on, so they will know that this account is what is available to run advert. Do you understand? So once that is done, you can always check your account before 1 week. You should have this function to promote. So you should have this option to promote. Now that we've updated everything that we want to use to run our adverts, including you can also use video. So you can see we have multiple pictures here, so we can easily promote it now. So which is what I'm going to be sharing. So now after clicking on it, you can see we'll have increased view there. So in some cases it will always show promote too. So that is where we are going to be starting our advert with. So you click on that increase view. Once you click on it, it will take you to this next page here. Now please, this is where you want to learn everything about setup, how you can do detailed targeting, and I'm going to be taking my time to explain from here. So please pay attention. Okay, so now under this we have three type of goals on TikTok. The first one is boost account. Maybe you need more followers, you need people to see what you are doing, or you also need video viewers. That is when you want to opt in for boost account. But if you want to get sales, maybe you are selling something, you want to get sales, you can come to get sales here. This is always applicable for anybody that is what? That is selling something. Maybe you are selling goods, maybe you have a website, or you want to direct people to your DM. So just click on get sales here. Once you click on get sales, you can see the option for more website visits. You see now, you will click on, I've already input my YouTube page there. So you will click on edit. You will enter your what's it called, your, if you don't have a website, you can always input your this thing here, what's it called, your WhatsApp URL. So once they click on it now, it will take them directly to your WhatsApp. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now I'm going to be inputting my website there. So let me just copy this website here. I think I have this website for Zionhublogistics.com.ng. So this is the website I designed for my chair and table. So I'm just going to copy this website from here. So I'll copy it, come to here, then I'll paste it. I don't want people to come to my DM directly. I want people to come to here. So this is profile visit. So I'm going to click on save. Now this is your call to action. So where you want, like after this website is showing, what you also want to be showing, if it is learn more, shop more, sign up, contact us. So I'm going to click on contact us here. So it will take them, or let me just leave it for learn more. If it is for WhatsApp, you can click contact us. So you click on save. That one has been saved like that. So I'm still coming to this custom promotion here. So let me explain this get leads here. So this leads is also available for whosoever that want to, you want people to call you directly. Like your phone number is going to be displaying, so they will just tap on it and they will call you. Or you want more people to message you directly, so you can go for more messages too for any of your products. So that is for the three type of goals that we have on TikTok. So I'm now going to be start explaining how you can boost each post now. So I've come back to this first one, which is get more viewers, get more followers, get more profile views. So I'm going to be explaining this one after the other. Let's assume you want more video views, so you make sure you select it. Then you want to scroll down. You know, we've already selected the post right from scratch. That's why we have this post there. So for the package, if you want to run, like maybe you want to get more video views, so you want to run maybe 1,000 naira for a day. So you get like maybe 100 video views, like maybe 100 plus, but you want to put 2,880 naira, you get like 300 plus video views. Based on their algorithm, it's not as if maybe this is the final distance for it. Do you understand? It might perform better. Do you get it? So if you want to put your own custom price there, so you come to customize here to customize the price you needed. So now for a day, you can run as low as 1,000 naira for a day. Do you understand? So if you want to run 2,000, just use this thing to customize the budget. Do you understand? So that is for the budget here. So let's say I want to run 74,000 naira, my budget for a day. Do you understand? So I'm going to get nothing less than 4,864 to 23,000 people to view my videos on TikTok. So if you now want to choose your own audience, let's look at the audience, which have to do with people that want to buy what you are selling. Now, it's always on default audience that TikTok will push your adverts to. So if you want to create your own personal audience, now this audience session is applicable to any other segments, any other promote and this thing that you want to do. If you want to do traffic, you want to do video views, you want to do for followers, you want to do for get sales or more leads. Do you understand? So you just click on here, create your own. We will have create your own here. So you can see the estimated audience on TikTok. So it's very wide, over 22.49 million people to 27.49 million will see your advert. So these are the numbers of people that are on TikTok. So the first thing you will do is to name your audience. Now let's say I want to target people that are interested in chair and desk. So I'm just going to say chair and table audience, right? So I've named it like that, so I'll be able to understand it. So you want to target their age and location, I mean age and gender. So you just click on edit here. So if what you are promoting have to do with male or female, you select it, and if it is for both of them, you select all. Then the age range, if what you are selling is above 18 plus, you select 18 to 24. You also select 25 to 34. Select this, select this, select this. Do you understand? The more you select it, the more this audience here changes. If I'm to uncheck this 45 plus, just look there, you can see that it has changed. If I'm to also click on it again, it also full, you can see here. So I'm going to click on save. That is to tell you that I've saved the audience for age and gender. So if I'm to come to location here and click on location again, where are the people that I'm targeting? Remember that I turn on my VPN. You can see here my VPN is connected presently, so that's why you are seeing UK here. I'm presently connected to UK. So if I want to say I want to target London, you can see here I can click on London, then I'm going to click on save. So my advert alone is going to be showing to people in London alone. So it's not going to be showing to maybe people in outside London, like Manchester, other cities. It's not going to be showing to them. So let me just make use of Nigeria. Let's say I want to target Lagos alone. I'm just going to come here to type Lagos, Nigeria here. So the reason why it's showing no result is simply because I'm connected to what? I'm connected to a foreign this thing. Do you understand? Do you get it? So we are still looking at, I think, video views. So let's say I want to choose customize again, then create your own here. So I've taught you how to name, then this location here, edit. You will see now that it will be in Nigeria. It's still in United Kingdom, simply because I've used it. One thing about this thing is they work with your recent region. That's why you are seeing UK here. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So that's why you are seeing. If I'm to say Nigeria here, you will see here there is no result, simply because I've do what? I've run advert, like I've turned on my VPN for this location and my location has changed. So you target based on your location. So once you are done, you will save it. Then the next thing is interest. You can target people via interest. So if you are selling clothes, or maybe you are teaching, or you are selling babies wear, you can click on baby, then kids and maternity. You select it. Then you can also select personal care. You can scroll down. You can select those people who are into businesses, games, lifestyle, food and beverages, e-commerce, non-app. Then you save it. So once you're done saving all this, then you can click on save again. So it will now save your audience. This is the audience you target for yourself. So this is how to push it to the set of Nigerians that will be able to buy what you are selling. So once you are now done, remember, okay, this is 280. Let's say we want to run advert for 1K. You see this 538 on this is for tax, because Nigeria also charge TikTok. This is the breakdown. The advert we want to run is 1,000. Then you can see Apple service fee is 500 because I'm using iPhone. So Apple will charge for their tax, and also Nigerian government will charge for their tax, stuff like that. So if you want to pay now, you just click on pay and start promotion. So if I have to click on pay, although I don't have enough funds on the card, I'm just trying to show you how these things works. Do you understand? So it will charge my card directly. If I'm to click on this guy now, it will charge and pay it, and it will be on pending. So if I'm to click here now, if I'm to double click, it's just going to say this thing is not working, blah blah blah, or my card was declined. I hope you get the logic. So if I'm to say I want to click on purchase now, you can see here that, okay, let me just start from afresh. You can see payment cancelled. Let me retry it again so you understand. So it's presently paying now. Let me do this. So you will see that is going to decline because I don't have enough funds on the card. You can see here your payment method was declined. I hope you understand my logic. So that is how you can set up what your advert completely from A to Z. So if you want to go for sales, you click on get more sales here. Remember that I input my this thing here the other time. It wasn't saved simply because I did not complete it. Do you get it? So I'm just going to go back here. So you still use the same settings again, then your budget for the traffic, and you click on your promotion pack. So then you preview once you are done to see how your advert will look like. Now this is the advert. You can see the photo. So this is what the photo will look like at the front of the people that is going to be viewing it. Do you understand how it works now? So it will automatically show. It will automatically show to people. So that's how to run the advert. So I believe you should know how to run your advert for those people who want to start making money with running adverts with TikTok. So the same thing applicable for get leads too, for more messages, phone calls. So you input your number here. You can see now that it's showing UK. Everything is in UK simply because it works with my phone location. I often turn on UK. That's why you are seeing this. Do you understand? So in my next tutorial now, I'm going to be recording the video from scratch on how I'm going to be running adverts myself. So I hope you find value in watching the tutorial. So if you have any question, you can just drop it for me in the group, or you drop it directly to my DM. All right. So I will see you in the next video.